Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Washing your down jacket. Place your jacket in the washing machine on a warm cycle, not hot or cold, and put in the down wash as directed. When it's time to dry, use a very low heat setting on your dryer and throw in 3 clean tennis balls to help break up wet clumps of down. 17 January 2017.
Take our lead.
You can add tennis balls for washing down-filled garments. Add the balls into the washing machine and they will help to fluff the jacket during washing. Aside from water, the down also absorbs small particles of detergent that make the feathers clump together.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.